What's up, guys? It's your boy Ricky Ross, back with another video. I want to say thank you to everybody that's always watching my video. I truly appreciate it. For those of you out there who don't know who I am, I go by Ricky Ross, Amazon Germany seller. Been doing this for quite some time, and I do mentor a few people. If you're interested, my email will be in the description down below. Awesome. Today we're going to be talking about SKU. What is an SKU? Why is it important? What do you need to know about it? Who creates it? Actually, what do you need it for? So what is an SKU? We're going to jump right into it. Basically, SKU stands for stock keeping unit. That's it. Stock keeping unit, stock keeping unit. It is a unique number assigned by the seller or by Amazon automatically. Usually it's generated automatically by Amazon, or you create it when listing an item or joining an already existing listing on Amazon. I hope you understood that. So basically, Amazon uses SKU to associate your product listing with your individual inventory level. So I'll give you an example. You ship, okay, let's say you're selling, let's take Nike, for example, Nike shoes. Let's say there are 5 people selling Nike shoes. Okay. So your seller A, he's seller B, he's seller C, and seller D, 4 different people. So everybody's selling, let's assume you're selling the Air Jordans, all Nike Air Jordans, on one listing that's already existing on Amazon. Okay, so you send your stock, you send maybe 50, the other person sends 20, whatever. Everybody sends different numbers, or everybody sends the same amount of, or the same quantity of shoes. Amazon uses that SKU to differentiate yours from the other person, because you all are on the same ASIN. ASIN is an Amazon standard identification number, which is also unique to every product sold on Amazon. So when you all join the same ASIN, the way Amazon knows that you, seller A, has 50 is through this SKU. So I hope I was able to explain it better with that example. So why is it important to have an SKU? Well, it helps you track your inventory properly. You know, it is very essential for data entry, inventory management, especially when you use a third-party software. That third-party software can pull information from Amazon, and then it knows, okay, he has 50 units of Nike, Michael Jordan Air, or Nike Air Jordans. Okay, that's why it is important. Then the recommendations for SKU, meaning what, or if you set your SKU, how should you do it? Okay. Now, when you allow Amazon to set your SKU automatically, Amazon does it randomly. Okay. So when you do it, you're able to basically name or assign your write your SKU the way you will remember it. So the SKU format that when you're, okay, let me rewind. When you join a listing or when you create a listing, either one, Amazon allows you to put your unique SKU in there. So the norm is when you're creating, or when you're creating your SKU number, try to use abbreviations that would make sense to you. So you could put the first, say you could put the brand or manufacturer name of the product, and then put the model or style of the product, the color, if you want, you could put the product condition, and then if you also want, you could put the country code. So, for example, like I said, if we use the Nike Michael Jordan or Nike Air Jordans, so if you join that listing, your SKU should be something like NK, which would stand for Nike, minus AJ, that would be Air Jordan, or you could just say minus Air J, however you want to abbreviate it to remember. And then you could say minus BLK, which would be black. Okay, then at the end you could then say minus CH, which would be made in China, minus, or maybe it's made in the UK, you say minus UK. So, and then at the end you could say minus 01, then you know 01 is all for your Nike shoes. So that's how you can basically put or write your SKU numbers. Now, the reason you want to do that is so you keep all your inventories in order, okay? Because it's all about accounting. When you have all these things in your accounting, and maybe you have a software that's pulling information directly from your Amazon account, you want the software to be able, or when the software pulls it and you see this, you want to be able to know, this is the Nike Air Jordan black that's made in the UK or made in China, because you see the software pulls the SKU. Now, you would then in that software put your cost of goods, meaning you would put how much you paid for that shoe or for that product. So when you have SKUs set that way, it helps you remember, versus if you let Amazon just randomly do it, you see that SKU and you're like, okay, what product is this? Because softwares don't normally, with third-party inventory softwares don't normally pull or wouldn't know the title or the name of the shoes or the name of the product. They go by SKUs. So that's one of the main reasons you would need it. But if you feel like you don't need it, then, or you don't want to use it, or you're not interested in keeping your inventory books in order, then you can let Amazon assign it. Or maybe if you don't have a whole lot of products that you're selling, then you can just let Amazon automatically assign an SKU for you. So in a nutshell, that's basically what an SKU is. So I hope this video was able to help somebody out there to better understand what an SKU is. So if I missed anything, just put it in the comment section. If you have a question, put it in the comment section. We're all here to learn. So I hope this was able to help you, or if you know somebody out there that this might be useful to or for, don't hesitate to share the video. Helps the channel. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Like I always say, please like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Once again, it's your boy Ricky Ross. I'm out.